Let's start with our top story, and that's the Telangana Hyderabad police issuing a notice to actor Allu Arjun to appear for questioning today. And the police has issued a fresh notice to Allu Arjun, and he will be there at about 11 o'clock this morning. Vedant, what are the details that we have regarding why is he summoned all over again?
Absolutely. The second summons in just 10 days. Remember, he was arrested on the 13th of December, that dramatic arrest, and he's currently, of course, out on conditional bail. This, of course, the backdrop of the huge political standoff as well, Divya, over the vandalism outside his residence.
Absolutely, and it was, tomatoes seen on the floor and flower pots that were broken. But it's the Chief Minister who has, come down very heavily when it comes to Allu Arjun for visiting the theatre without the permission of the police and for conducting a roadshow even after the stampede.
Absolutely, and as I said, a huge political showdown as well, with the government squarely blaming him. But he's saying that he's being portrayed in bad light, and it's almost like a character assassination. A BRS versus Congress flashpoint has also now erupted. Let's take a look at all the reactions that have come in.
This का end condition अभी still as per पहले दिन लाए थे वैसी है. हम एक ही भगवान को जो प्रे करते हैं, प्रार्थना करते हैं, वो जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक जो हो जाए. और एक दुखी का इंसिडेंट हुआ, अनफॉर्चुनेट थिंग तेलंगाना में. हम वही डॉक्टर्स को बोले, हॉस्पिटल वालों को बोले, कितना खर्च भी होने दो, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ तेलंगाना से पूरा आपको हम देख लेते. वी विल पे द व्हाट एवर इवेंट यू कंसल्ट बिग कंसल्टेंट थ्रूआउट इंडिया.
9-year-old Sai Tej has been on ventilator support for almost 20 days, ever since he lost consciousness after being caught in a stampede at Sandhya Theatre, where he went with his parents and little sister to watch the premiere show of Pushpa 2, starring his favourite hero Allu Arjun. Sai Tej's mother Revati died in the stampede. His father is grateful for the support his son is getting for his treatment.
आंखें खोल रहा, क्लोज कर रहा, कुछ पेन है तो उन्होंने रिएक्शन कर रहा, हाथ पैर हिलाना, वैसा कुछ रिएक्शन थोड़ा है. अगर पहचान रहा नहीं अभी, आंख खोल के पहचान रहा नहीं अभी.
आपने बहुत बड़ा दिल के साथ उस दिन कहा था, मैंने सुना आपको कहते हुए कि आपको लगता है कि इस हादसे के लिए अल्लू अर्जुन जी जिम्मेदार नहीं है और आप अपना केस भी वापस लेने के लिए तैयार हैं.
हाँ, वही है मैडम. सेकंड डे से हमारे को जो है अल्लू अर्जुन सर का सपोर्ट था. जब भी हम सोचे कि अपन किसको ब्लेम करना नहीं है बोल के पहले से ही था. उस दिन सर अरेस्ट हो रहा, हमारे वजह से अरेस्ट हो रहा बोल के समझ के हम केस वापस कर लेंगे.
There has been a stream of visitors from politicians to film personalities. Pushpa 2 producer Yerneni Naveen handed over checks from the producers, director and actor. At Allu Arjun's residence in Hyderabad, security has been tightened after a group that described themselves as Usmania University Joint Action Committee stormed the gate, broke flower pots and flung tomatoes. The accused were arrested and granted bail within hours. The BRSS alleged the attackers belonged to the Youth Congress.
Condemnable, maybe Youth Congress or TRS or BJP or JAC. This is not the way. How can you go and attack one house? Already police in action, court is pending in court. This is very condemnable.
Opposition parties are alleging that the escalating tensions between the Congress government and the film industry will push Tollywood out of Hyderabad and Telangana.
Whether it is Nagarjuna or whether it is Mohan Babu or whether it is Allu Arjun, this kind of episode will really make the people scary about living in Telangana. There are rumors that the Tollywood might be shifted to Andhra Pradesh because there are better benefits on that. This kind of attitude by Revanth Reddy government and the Telangana police is not acceptable.
They are very supportive and they are very approachable. CM sir and Minister sir, whatever we required, we could get the meeting immediately same day, and they are very supportive. Set up the infrastructure here is it took like about 25 years for Hyderabad to get this kind of infrastructure, so it's not that easy to move to another state.
Rumors about this rift between the cinema industry and government, that is all false news and nonsense. Don't believe that. And one more request to all of Telangana people or Andhra people. Don't go to hero's house or distributor's house or producer's house. Don't pelt stones. It's not the Telangana culture.
An unfortunate tragedy that has escalated into a face-off between Chief Minister Revanth Reddy and actor Allu Arjun, become a virtual showdown between the government and the film industry, and escalated into a full-blown political war. The big takeaway for both the government and the film industry is that fixing responsibility and accountability may be best left to the courts of law instead of fighting it out in the public domain, on social media or on the streets. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.